Under the vast, ancient canopy of the savanna, a tiny engineer is at work. It pushes a weight many times its own, a sphere of life and labor, rolling it across a landscape of giants with a determination that has lasted for millions of years. This simple act is the heartbeat of a hidden world. But how does this small creature know exactly where it's going? How can it maintain a straight path through the chaos of the forest floor? The answer lies not on the ground, but in the stars. Scientists have discovered that some of these beetles navigate using the glowing band of the Milky Way. How can such a tiny insect use the entire galaxy to find its way? And why would it spend so much effort rolling something most animals avoid? To answer that, we must look closer at one of nature's most overlooked heroes, the dung beetle. From the rolling grasslands of Africa to the quiet forests of Europe, these recyclers exist on nearly every continent, performing a vital service for our planet. They are the silent cleanup crew of the natural world. But before they can take on this mission, they must first begin their own journey. A new life begins in darkness, protected within a cradle of earth and nutrients. This is the brood ball, a gift from a parent to its offspring. Within days, a larva emerges. It spends its early life here, safe underground with all the food it needs to grow. It is a time of quiet transformation. As it matures, it enters the pupal stage. Its soft body hardens, and the features of a master recycler begin to take shape. Wings, legs, and a powerful shell. Finally, the transformation is complete. A new adult emerges, ready to join the mission that has sustained its kind for over 100 million years. This is the adult dung beetle. Its body is a masterpiece of biological engineering. A thick, chitinous exoskeleton protects it like a suit of armor. Its serrated legs are built for digging and rolling, while hidden beneath its shell are powerful wings that allow it to travel miles in search of its prize. Sensitive antennae catch the faintest scent of fresh dung on the breeze, while compound eyes watch for both predators and the celestial maps above. When a fresh deposit is found, the race begins. For a dung beetle, this is not waste. It is the most valuable resource in the world. With remarkable precision, the beetle shapes a portion of the dung into a perfect ball. This sphere will serve as its meal or a home for its future children. Now comes the hard part. It must roll its prize away from the chaotic pile as quickly as possible to avoid rivals who might try to steal it. This is nature's recycling system in action. What would be a nuisance to other animals is transformed into fuel for the earth itself. To move such a weight requires staggering strength. Some dung beetles can pull over 1,000 times their own body weight. To put that into perspective, it would be like a human pulling 6 double-decker buses filled with people. It is a feat of power unmatched in the insect world. Their bodies are designed for this leverage, with low centers of gravity and powerful leg attachments that turn them into living bulldozers. But strength alone isn't enough. In the dead of night, they need a guide. This brings us back to their incredible connection to the stars. When the sun and moon are gone, these beetles use the soft, hazy light of the Milky Way galaxy to stay on course. It is their celestial compass. By traveling in a perfectly straight line, they ensure they get far away from the danger zone of the dung pile, where thieves wait to strike. Efficiency is their survival. The day begins with the hunt. High above the grass, the beetle scans the air for the chemical signature of its next opportunity. Once it lands, every second counts. The work is physical and demanding, requiring focus and determination in the heat of the day. The journey can span dozens of meters, a true marathon for a creature this size. Every pebble is a mountain, every gust of wind a challenge to its balance. Yet it never wavers, driven by an internal map we are only beginning to understand. It is a journey of survival. Competition is fierce. Rival beetles will often try to hijack a finished ball. The owner must be a wrestler as well as a roller. Finally, a safe spot is found. The beetle buries its prize deep underground, away from the drying sun and the eyes of thieves. This is its reward. But life is not without risk. For a small beetle, the world is full of shadows that can bite. Birds, lizards, and even small mammals are always watching. Speed, determination, and their tough armor are their best defenses. By working quickly and quietly, they improve their chances of seeing another sunrise. This is the balance of the wild. Every creature, no matter how small, plays its part in the great web of life. When the beetles bury dung, they are doing more than just feeding themselves. They are fertilizing the earth. Nitrogen and carbon are pinned into the soil. Their tunneling aerates the soil, allowing water and oxygen to reach the roots of plants. This hidden work helps entire meadows and forests thrive. In their labor, they are also nature's accidental gardeners. By burying dung, they inadvertently plant seeds, protecting them from hungry birds and placing them in a nutrient-rich nursery where they are perfectly positioned to sprout and grow. By breaking up dung quickly, they destroy the breeding grounds for flies and parasites. This keeps livestock and wildlife healthy and the environment clean. Astonishingly, their work even helps regulate our climate. By breaking down waste quickly, they reduce the release of methane, a powerful greenhouse gas from animal deposits. They are tiny climate warriors, working quietly beneath our feet. Without these tiny recyclers, many ecosystems would struggle under the weight of waste. They are nature's indispensable cleanup crew. They are not just black beetles. Some shimmer with the brilliance of precious jewels, metallic greens, deep purples, and fiery coppers. Nature's artistry displayed on a miniature scale. This diversity reflects their adaptability across the globe. Did you know there are thousands of species of dung beetles? They come in many shapes, sizes, and even shimmering metallic colors. Others grow formidable horns, used in trials of strength and ritualized combat to defend their hard-won prizes. These structures vary wildly across the thousands of species found on nearly every continent, each a product of millions of years of evolution. Not all are rollers. Some are tunnelers who dig directly beneath the pile, while others, called dwellers, simply live and breed right inside it. Their importance was even recognized by the ancient Egyptians, who admired the scarab beetle as a symbol of the sun, renewal, and the cycle of life. It is remarkable how powerful these bugs are. In the insect world, they are the undisputed heavyweight champions. Their presence benefits everyone. They provide food for birds, help plants grow, and even assist farmers by improving their pastures for free. Even the most unpleasant jobs in nature are essential. What one creature leaves behind, the dung beetle transforms into the beauty of a blooming flower. A healthy population of dung beetles is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. They are small, but their impact is felt on a global scale. Yet, these ancient navigators face modern challenges. Habitat loss and the use of certain chemicals in farming can make their essential work much harder, threatening the delicate balance they help to maintain. As we look back on the journey of this tiny beetle, we see a creature of incredible strength, sophisticated navigation, and tireless dedication. Even the lights of our cities can disrupt them, washing out the ancient starlight they need to find their way. They rely on the deep, dark skies of the wilderness to navigate their world with the precision of a master astronomer. Every single day, across the entire world, millions of these beetles are quietly performing one of the most important jobs on Earth. Learning about these amazing creatures is the first step toward understanding and valuing the complex and beautiful world we all share. Thank you for exploring with Daylight Lens. There's always more to discover.